Okay, let's talk about UV straighten. It's the straight lines of the UV. For doing that, you have to select a line with a double click and UV straighten. If you select these settings without auto align, it just straighten a line something like this, exactly in its way. But if you activate auto align, it's completely straightened in a horizontal line. So this is an auto align. And keep length. It's trying to keep this length of the UV. It's nice sometimes. And you can see the distribution between these points are not equal. If you equal UV distant distribution, you can see it's equalize this distribution between these lines. And that's it. Straighten. For example, in some cases it does not work good. For example, in this line, if you straighten this line, it's completely straightened here. Boom. You can see these cases are not good. Or for example, you can straighten this line only. Then this line, you can see I don't want to auto align it. Just straighten in its orientation. And something like that, straighten. For such a thing, you have to straighten your line separately. That's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.